Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Sing with me.
Hi everyone, how are you? I am Mr. Foxy. Let's start our new program about sonorization with alphabet letter. I want to talk about F letter. Let's start.
Student's Book, Unit 9, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
What's this, NASA? It's a fig. Oof. 2 figs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 figs. Thank you.
Hi kiddos, how are you? I want to learn a new F letter and open your book page 30 and look at the data show.
Student's Book, Unit 9, Lesson 1. Listen and clap.
F, f, f.
Fig.
F, f, f.
Fig.
Now I am checking this box and I will show you F letter with some words. This is capital letter F and it's uppercase F. This is small letter F and it's lowercase f. We have some words about F letter. Fig. Fig. Fish. Fish. Football. Football. Flower. Flower.
Here comes the letter F. F is for father, father. F is for friend, friend. F is for finger, finger. F is for face, face. F is for flower, flower. F is for fox, fox. F is for forest, forest. F is for funny, funny. F is for furniture, furniture. F is for football, football. F is for family, family. F is for female, female.
Now I will show you a video how to write F letter.
Welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter F. F as in flamingo. First we'll start with uppercase or big F. To write uppercase F, we'll start at the top and do a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then go back to the top and do a straight line to the side. Then we'll go to the middle and do a straight line to the side. Good job! Let's try that again. We'll go to the top and do a straight line all the way down to the bottom. Then go back to the top and do a straight line out to the side. Then we'll go to the middle and do a straight line to the side. Good job! Now you try. Great work! Now let's learn how to write lowercase f. To do lowercase f, we'll start in the corner and do a curved line all the way to the top. Then we'll follow it all the way down in a straight line to the bottom. Then we'll go to the middle and draw a little line straight across. Let's do that again. We'll start at the top in the corner and do a curved line. Then we'll follow it down in a straight line to the bottom. Then we'll go to the middle and do a little line straight across. Good job! Now you try. Awesome work! Now you know how to write the letter F.
Student's Book, Unit 9, Lesson 3. Listen and sing.
Now please choose and write down every letter with your board. Open your activity book, page 29, and trace F letter. Very good. It's nice. Well done.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out let's learn about the letter F. This is a capital F. This is a lowercase f. You know how the F looks now. Let's make the letter F sound. F, 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 f. Yes! F is for frog. F is for farmer. F is for a fire truck. F is for fish. F is for family. F is for football. You know some F words now. Let's make the letter F sound. F, 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 f. F, 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 f. Your turn. F, 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 f. F.
Now you are doing many learning alphabet activity. The first alphabet activity is coloring alphabet activity. Kids, you should coloring F letter. Very good. Very good. The second alphabet activity is finding alphabet activity. Clap! The last alphabet activity is flashcard alphabet activity. Please kids find the F letter with words. I hope this program it will be very useful for you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,